celery, carrots, onions, garlic, cut the top off, ready to go, throw it in. So this is their nice Alberta lamb rack. Pat dry this. Simple seasoning of salt and pepper. I'll flip it around, salt the backside. Cast iron pan, extra virgin olive oil. Grab our nice lamb rack nice and gently. It's important to sear all the sides and caramelize all the sugars. Once you've got a nice color on the outside of your lamb, just set it aside. Keep the hot pan and everything in it. And we'll add our celery, carrots, onion. Put our garlic clove that we just kind of opened up the top, we'll face that down. We'll add some fresh rosemary. Touch more oil. We'll add some dry red wine. A touch of veal stock. And then we can bring our lamb back. Place it right on top of all those vegetables and that rosemary and that garlic. Into the oven, 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay, now we'll take out our lamb to let it rest. We'll take our pan right back to the fire and reduce our pan sauce a little bit. We're gonna have our lamb rack here. We're gonna rest it for about 5 minutes and let that protein relax from being in that hot oven. And as long as your kind of knife is running through those bones and a tiny bit of an angle, potatoes, we have our lamb, and then we have our pan sauce here. And we'll finish it off with our nice sauce verde. Okay, and here's your Alberta rack of lamb with herb, new potatoes, and sauce verde.